SONN.
LDTC,
MVST.
NKE,
IPG.
LDTC, 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 RVPH,
IPHA.
LDTC, LDTC,
LDTC.
LD, LDTC, DTC, TCC,
LDTC.
JMIA, LDTC, 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 MIGI, LDTC, JMIA, LDTC,
LDTC.
LDTC, 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 HIMS,
LDTC.
LDTC,
ZEO.
HIMS,
SONN. MCRB. LDTC. ZEO.
NKE,
ZEO. LDTC.
LDTC,
Boom. VITL. Watch the spread. ZEO.
CCCC.
LDTC.
CCCC.
LDTC.
CCCC. CCCC.
LDTC. LDTC.
LDTC. LDTC. LDTC. LDTC.
LDTC.
MGX. LDTC. LDTC.
LDTC. LDTC.
MGX.
MGX. LDTC. LDTC.
MGX. LDTC.
LDTC.
LDTC. LDTC. NKE. NKE. MGX. MGX.
ZEO. 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 RGTI. ZEO. ZEO.
BTI.
IPG. SONN.
ZBAO.
RZLV.
Very. ZBAO.
LDTC.
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 LDTC. LDTC. LDTC. LDTC.
LDTC.
LDTC. LDTC. LDTC.
LDTC.
LDTC. BTI. LDTC.
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 HAFN.
ASTS. LDTC.
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 HAFN. LDTC. LDTC.
LDTC.
LDTC.
LDTC. LDTC.
LDTC. LDTC. LDTC.
LDTC. LDTC.
LDTC. LDTC. LDTC.
RGTI. ZEO. IPG. IPG.
LDTC hitting $1.36 at the highs.
Woof.
Lima Delta Tango chart.
TSLN. IRM.
ABBV, AbbVie announcing top-line results for phase 3 TEMPO-2 trial evaluating tavapadon as monotherapy for Parkinson's disease. That's Alpha Bravo Bravo Victor. ABBV.
DJ.
ACXP, Acurx indicates phase 3 readiness for ibezapolstat in C. difficile infection based on recent FDA and EMA communications. Alpha Charlie,
TSLA.
X-ray Papa,
TSLA. BZ. TLRY. TLT.
Zone.
TSLA.
HMIT, CIRCOM, and Harmonic announcing collaboration on
SATL.
DOCSIS for unified technology.
JSLR.
Hotel Lima,
VOD.
India Tango.
GXAI.
SIM. STM. GRI.
MYGN,
TIGR.
NCCN prostate cancer
TSNQ.
guidelines reinforce status of Myriad Genetics Prolaris test as advanced tool recommended for prognostic assessment. That's Michael
EQNR.
Yankee Golf November.
MGTX.
MYGN. MGTX Mira
RZLV.
Mira GTX granted
MSTR,
FDA
ASM.
Regenerative Medicine Advanced Therapy designation
GR.
for AAV2 HAQP1 to treat grade 2-3
RR.
radiation-induced xerostomia. That's
DAR.
Michael Golf Tango X-ray.
SRM.
Duo.
NTRA,
MULN.
Natera, and
MULN.
Miami announced launch of IPRS for breast cancer assessment.
MULN.
That's November Tango Romeo Alpha.
LDTC.
SENS Sensionics
LDTC.
provides update on Eversense 368 launch. That's San Diego November Sandy. ELAB, Elevai
CCCC.
Biosciences, a subsidiary of
ASM.
Elevai Labs, announcing FDA regulatory pathway for EL22, a pioneering obesity therapy targeting fat loss and muscle
CCCC.
preservation.
BBAI.
That's Echo Lima Alpha Bravo,
BIOA.
ELAB. CRNX Crinetics
ASM.
announcing FDA
OMC.
acceptance of NDA for
L.
Tusitine for adult patients with
BBAI.
acromegaly. That's Charlie Romeo November X-ray,
RGTI.
CRNX.
CHRS. Joby.
LDTC.
NVEE, NV5
FUBO.
acquires Southport Engineering Associates, November Victor Echo Echo, NVEE.
VOD. SBSW.
WINT,
BIOA.
Windtree announcing new istaroxene patent filing for prevention of or reducing the risk
ASM.
of acute myocardial arrhythmia. That's
NAM.
Whiskey India November Tango,
NAM.
WINT.
SONN.
PTVE, Pactive, Novalex, and Pactive Evergreen to combine, establishing
QBTS.
a leading manufacturer in the food and beverage packaging. That's Papa Tango
Assistant.
Victor Echo.
CCCC.
SATX
Assistant.
Satisfy announcing 9-month 2024 results. SATX
RZLV.
Sandy Alpha Tango X-ray. QBTS
XPL.
QBTS files for offering up to
FRSX.
$75 million in shares of common stock. That's Quebec Bravo Tango Sandy.
SBSW.
QBTS.
Path. FRSX. FRSX.
Assistant. LDTC.
PTVE shares were halted ahead of that news. Papa Tango Victor Echo.
SBSW.
LDTC.
FRSX.
LDTC.
ASM. FRSX.
LDTC.
FRSX. FRSX.
FRSX.
FRSX. SBSW.
LDTC.
Die. RZLV. FRSX. FRSX.
FRSX.
FRSX.
LDTC.
L. FRSX. RZLV.
LDTC.
RZLV. SBSW. CCCC. FRSX. BTI.
MGX.
FRSX. FRSX.
ZEO.
SBSW.
ASTS.
CCCC. IBIT.
LDTC.
Path.
QBTS.
Ker. 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 Ker.
GR.
Ker. Ker.
GR. ZEO.
NAM.
LDTC. LDTC.
RZLV. 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 MULN. RZLV. RZLV. RZLV.
Duo. RZLV. QBTS. GR.
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 SVM. NEM.
LDTC.
GR.
LDTC.
BIOA.
GR. QBTS.
ABEV.
QBTS.
BTI.
LDTC.
Real. Real.
QBTS.
NEGG.
ZEO. ZEO.
SID. SVM. IPXX. ABEV.
ZEO. PLTR.
CCCC.
LDTC. GR. LDTC. LDTC.
PSNL. ABEV.
Duo.
SID. SVM.
LDTC.
BHP. BHP. TUYA. ABEV.
RZLV. Duo.
ASM. MRM. Real.
CCCC.
SID. Real.
LDTC,
MCHX, RVPH,
LDTC,
CCCC,
LDTC,
CCCC, HL,
LDTC,
CCCC,
LDTC, LDTC, LDTC,
CCCC, LDTC,
LDTC,
NEGG, CCCC, TUYA, CCCC,
Duo,
CCCC,
MCRB,
CCCC, CCCC,
Duo,
Bind, Bind,
IPG, ZEO,
L,
ZEO,
YMM,
ZEO, ZEO,
Bind,
LDTC,
JVA, BMR, BTI,
MCRB,
ABSI, BTI, Real,
LDTC,
Hey everyone, it's JJ from Micro Futures on the 8th of December. This is our weekend update and Globex, what we're looking for in the Globex session this
Guru,
evening to prepare those traders who,
Guru,
we affectionately call the pajama traders. So let's take a look and see. Hope you guys had a great weekend. And
MCRB,
the price action has been horrible last week. Really had to wait for your trade, or you had to, position trade this thing, meaning put a position together and then as it went up or went down, sold or covered, and there was not a lot of selling. It was a lot of frustration this week from, the folks in our room and people on Twitter and just retail. It was not a great week for
SNDL,
retail trading. There are some characteristics of what are going on right now, which sort of tell you
OPTN,
why. One is that the
LDTC,
market's in a markup. We're in the, the last couple of weeks of the year. When you
LDTC,
get into the last couple of the weeks of the year, if the order flow allows it, the market
ZEO,
loves to get marked up. So people look intelligent that they had a good year. Their bonuses are good. Remember,
EXK,
seasonality is tied to compensation, right?
ZEO,
Remember, we are not here for the dental plan. These people get paid on performance. So
SAIH,
we have
HPP,
an all-time high made Friday. It is also a poor high, which means that sellers were competing right here at the previous
LDTC,
day high, Friday's high.
LDTC,
Okay, and that is position traders, those who are long, in the overnight, down here.
SATL
They're
Satellogic announced
coming
$10 million
in
private
and they're
placement made by a single
distributing all
institutional
day,
investor
and they're
in the
also
Alpha
picking
Tango
up here.
Lima.
Okay, so that's something that
LDTC.
we have
AT&M
to
Momentum awarded
understand.
$105 million
Look out for.
research, development, test, and evaluation contract to enhance electronic warfare systems. That is Alpha Michael Tango Michael.
LDTC.
LTRN, Lantern Pharma, announcing first patient enrolled in Taiwan for phase 2 harmonic clinical trial of LP300 in never smoker and SCLC patients. That's Lima Tango Romeo November.
And the markets had poor lows and poor highs for numerous sessions.
ATOS, Atosa Therapeutics, presented data from study investigating anti-cancer activity of Z-endoxifen-related compounds at AACR conference. That's Alpha Tango Oscar Sandy.
That means that, sizes on both sides of the equation, and the same buyers are the sellers, and they're just working it back and forth and, marking it up and having a wonderful month. Okay. The last week, the price action was slow and grinding. For retail traders, this means trade less and only your A+ setup. Okay. You do business on your terms, not on the market's terms. When your setup presents itself, you take the trade. Okay. Also, what you want to do is you want to trade less, right? You want to trade less, and you want to trade precisely. You want to be shrewd. You want to be sneaky. You don't want to give money away at the end of the year, especially you folks who had a good year trading. Keep that money. Trade less. Trade small. Right? Be sharp. Okay, shorting backfills on a 1 minute, 5 minute, 15-minute time frame is okay. If you don't know what shorting a backfill means, I'll do a video on that this week. Also, we will talk about this in the room. We talk about it a lot. It is when the market goes up, it creates buying, and then it goes back and fills in that buying with supply, and that's when you can short, is when the sellers compete on a smaller time frame. Okay, but don't commit to a short scenario longer term unless you have the capital to hold through this distribution. We are still in the front side of the distribution. What you want to do is wait and short the back side. Okay, let the market put in its top. You don't have to pay to have the market put in its top. Okay, better to trade it in and out, scalp around. When the backside of this move happens, you'll know it. The market will go sideways. It won't be able to take out highs, and then you'll start getting, lower highs. You'll start getting lower lows, right? Because sellers will start to compete and put the thing on sale. Remember, it's a market, right? Not a hot tub. Okay? Remember, it's a market. We buy cheap stuff. We put it up here. When people get tired of buying it, that's when you short it. Okay? Remember that, folks. All right, let's go take a look and see some of these levels, okay? Tonight, Friday low, of course, right? Friday high, right? Then if we take out Friday's low, 60.85, 60.76, 60.72 half, what do we have down here? Don't forget about this gap. That gap from 60.69 to 72-ish, that gap is a short position, right? And every time we came down here, the shorts were bid to cover, and they're bidding higher. So let's see if that continues, okay? Upside, well, gosh, hopefully we don't put in another high in the overnight in this nonsense. Hopefully we get some back and forth. You guys can trade this back and forth in this range. That'd be all right, right? Like playing ping pong. But if you do get accepted over this, there are some levels up here like 61.31 quarter. Let's hope that doesn't happen tonight. But if it does, hey, at least you're prepared. Okay. Now we're going to go take a look at the structure for this evening's Globex Open. Our close is here at 60.96. We closed under 6100. Okay. That's good. We are in the value. If we open in value in the cost basis, I'm going to show you your upper stops are 6100, 6100 and 6101 3/4, value area high, and then up here in the 6104s, 6108, Friday's high. Okay. We have one of our market profile levels at 11 3/4, and we came close. And that's exactly where those sellers stepped in Friday. Bang, 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 bang. Right. Everyone's parked up here trying to grab that customer. Right. Remember, these are vendors, right? Except they're not selling bananas, they're selling ES contracts. So there you see the lower highs. That means the sellers are moving the offer down. So anyway, look for back and forth trading here. You've got your upper stops. If we get above 661.12, be careful shorting, okay? Hopefully we get some liquidation back down into that previous day low. We had a poor low, so we had buyers competing here because Friday, that was the overnight inventory from Thursday. Look how long it was there. It was like 21 half-hour periods with volume. Distribution, right? So if it does break, it'll have to get past 89.25 and then down to that overnight puck, which you won't see in the overnight, but you will be able to see some of these clues, right? There are stops down here at 60.75. Okay. So opening trade scenario, if they open right, just right around here, these are your upper targets, these are your lower targets. If they can't hit the upper target, it'll try and rotate and hit the bottom one. If it can't hit the bottom one, it'll try and rotate to hit the top one. That's basically all you're looking at. It might be slow, it might be horribly slow. So pace yourself, right? Um, we were expecting some better price action last week. We didn't get it. Let's hope and see if we get some this week. Okay. Until then, trade smart. A plus setups only. If then statements. Do this methodically, right? Practice smart business tactics. If you want to learn how to trade with some good old fashioned common sense, learn where to take the trade, where to put the stop, how to know if the trade is going to work, how to know if it's not, how to manage your risk with simple, actionable, no nonsense, no mumbo jumbo. We tell you straight goods. This is how you got to trade. This is how you prepare yourself and train yourself. Come visit us at Micro E Futures. We're always got a 7-day trial going on. Come by, check us out. I'm JJ. DM me anytime. Have a wonderful week. And let's pray to the goddess of order flow and see if we can get some better order flow. Till then, folks, have a wonderful weekend, and we'll see you Monday morning. Bye for now.
LDTC,
LDTC,
MULN,
Duo, LDTC,
Poet, Duo,
Duo,
Duo, Duo,
LDTC, LDTC,
WVD,
LDTC,
BBAI, BBAI, PPTA, Duo, Duo,
LDTC,
Duo, Duo, PPTA,
FRGT,
GOVX, GOVX, GOVX,
FRGT,
Duo, BTG, Duo,
LDTC,
BBAI,
LDTC,
BBAI, BTG, Duo, Duo. BBAI, BBAI, Duo,
Duo.
ABAI, WB, BBAI,
LDTC,
BBAI,
LDTC,
YQ, ORMP, BBAI, BBAI,
LDTC, LDTC,
BBAI, YQ, JBLU, YQ, YQ, Poet, BBAI, YQ, BBAI, XPEV, OTLY,
LDTC,
BBAI, HMY,
LDTC,
mRNA, ZTO, HMY,
LDTC,
JBLU, O,
LDTC,
mRNA, BBAI, BBAI,
Duo.
BBAI,
LDTC, LDTC,
ASM, BBAI,
LDTC,
BBAI, BBAI,
LDTC,
LU,
LDTC,
LDTC, LDTC,
LDTC,
BBAI, serve, BBAI, BBAI, mRNA,
LDTC,
YQ, YQ, YQ,
LDTC, LDTC,
LDTC,
LDTC,
LDTC, DIS,
LDTC,
WB, OTLY, mRNA,
SONN, SONN,
GFI, Shell,
GXAI,
mRNA,
IPHA,
Shell,
SONN,
YQ,
MRM,
YQ.
SONN. SONN. Duo.
KSS. BBAI.
SONN. Duo.
HMY.
MULN.
ONCY.
GXAI. SONN. SONN. GXAI.
ARTL.
LDTC.
KSS. ARTL.
GXAI. SONN.
ARTL. 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 ARTL.
SONN.
ARTL. 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 ARTL.
Duo.
ARTL.
LDTC.
O. KSS. PXLW. PXLW. PXLW.
ZEO.
AAPL.
ZEO. ARTL.
O. KSS.
SONN.
WBD.
SONN. SONN. BBAI.
WOOF. EVTL.
FRGT.
BNED. WBD. GAP.
Duo. Duo.
XPEV. XPEV. XPEV.
Duo.
NXPL. NXPL. WBD. AG.
Duo. LDTC.
Duo.
Duo. LDTC.
Duo.
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 FANG DD,
LDTC.
DUO shares popping here to new highs.
Duo.
SID.
LDTC. SONN. SONN.
WBD. API.
TNA. LDTC.
ZM.
UAMY.
ZM.
UAMY.
ZM. Duo.
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 Duo. Duo.
Duo.
Duo. WB.
Duo.
Beak.
Duo.
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 Beak. L. Beak. Duo.
Duo.
L. Beak. Duo.
Duo, Fang DD
WB.
continued to spike here, now
Duo.
at
Duo.
$1.18.
Duo.
Moving most likely on the earlier
SONN.
news out of China. Said China will implement more proactive fiscal policy and moderately loose monetary policy. That's DUO now hitting new highs again.
YQ. BFRG.
SONN.
Beak. Beak. ZM.
NXPL. OKLO.
KSS.
NXPL.
EVO. EXK. RKDA. CSCO. KT. O.
LDTC.
LTRN. EVGO. HL.
HL.
FCX. HL.
ZEO.
APM.
LDTC. LDTC. LDTC.
White House said
FRGT.
National Security Advisor Sullivan to travel to Israel for Gaza ceasefire talks this week.
SONN. DUO. SONN. 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 NVTS. MGX. MGX. LDTC. 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 PLTR. LDTC. 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 TIGR. MGX. 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 QMCO. NVTS. QMCO.
CYN Syngin shares getting a bounce off the
QMCO.
lows. Charlie Yankee November.
QMCO. Veil. SONN.
One minute to the U.S. market open.
QMCO. DUO. LDTC. LDTC. LDTC.
SONN,
Ento.
LDTC,
MGX.
TNFA,
MGX.
KER,
CYN,
RVPH.
MGX, MGX,
MGX,
RVPH,
RVPH,
Dow Jones Industrial Average up
MGX.
30.14. The S&P 500 down
MGX.
8.73. NASDAQ down 50.33.
TNFA, KOD,
LDTC.
TNFA,
IPHA,
MTA,
XPEV. BPT.
TNFA, ICT,
Shui.
KOD, KOD, KOD,
Shui.
KOD, KOD, KER,
Duo. SONN. NEW.
CYN,
LDTC.
MGX,
SONN,
MGX,
KOD, MGX, ZEO,
SONN.
MGX,
ZEO.
CCL, Carnival Cruise Lines, Princess Cruises reports record-breaking
SONN.
Black Friday through Cyber
KREV.
Monday weekend booking period. That's
NMHI.
Charlie Lima.
ZEO.
ENGO, MTA, KOD, ENGO,
LDTC.
KOD,
Billy, another China issue spiking here to the highs now up
SONN.
about 15%.
Engo,
That's BILI.
GXAI. OTLK.
CREV,
KER, PETS,
LDTC. LDTC. ZK.
NMHI,
Engo,
PETS, PETS,
ZK.
CVM
spread.
sell
GXAI,
side,
Engo,
Zacks small cap research, giving it a $7 price valuation. That's Charlie Victor Michael.
ENGO, ENGO,
YINN. YINN.
ENGO, ENGO, TNFA, INOD,
YINN. LDTC.
KOD, KOD,
WKSP. MDAI.
TNFA, TNFA, ENGO,
Duo.
PETS, PETS,
Duo.
Pets.
YINN.
TNFA. KOD. KOD. MTA.
YINN.
KOD.
SONN.
INOD.
YINN.
Ango.
LDTC,
SONN.
letter tech shares were
SONN.
halted down on a circuit
ASAN.
breaker
Real.
after hitting a high of $1.94. That was in the pre-market, now at $1.47.
GXAI.
Letter Tech announced collaboration with Texas
BNED.
Instruments, including a software license agreement. That's Lima
GXAI.
Delta Tango Charlie, halted down now. Still up about 374%.
BNED. BNED. BNED.
Shares of Destiny Tech, DXYZ, halted down on a circuit breaker, Delta X-ray Yankee Zulu.
FUTU.
INOD. HSAI. Real.
SATL.
ASAN. FCEL. Ango. Real.
BCTX.
GXAI.
NDLS.
KOD. BNED. SATL.
SATL.
BNED. KOD. Real.
SATL.
KOD.
GXAI.
Real.
GXAI.
KOD.
GXAI. CSIQ. SMHI. SONN.
FCEL.
BCTX.
INOD.
RZLV.
SATL.
BCTX. SMHI.
QUBT, Iceberg Research, out with a report, an update to a previous report on
Duo.
QUBT, Quebec Uniform Bravo Tango. QBTT
SONN.
is already
ASAN.
running behind with its new chip manufacturing hype, is what the title is.
RR.
ARTL. Real. MGX.
MGX.
MGX. KOD. Duo.
MGX. Duo.
INOD. SATL.
Duo. 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 RR. TIGR.
KOD. Ango.
Duo.
Ango.
JD,
ASAN.
JD.com.
GXAI.
Another China issue popping here, up about 10.5% now. JD.com.
GXAI,
TNFA, TNFA, Duo,
Duo,
INOD,
LDTC, Duo,
Real, MGX, Real,
XPEV,
MGX, 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 ASAN, SATL,
LDTC,
DUO, Fang DD. Shares halted at the highs now on a circuit breaker. Delta Uniform Oscar shares up
UAMY,
114%. That is Delta Uniform Oscar.
Assistant, GXAI, ZEO, GXAI, Edit, NVAX,
POWW, EB,
GXAI,
POWW,
Coming up at 10, the
ALBT,
CB Employment Trends Index
GXAI.
for November. Also, wholesale inventories
GXAI.
for
W, LIDR,
October. That's
LDTC.
coming up at 10 a.m.
TBIA,
Eastern Time.
TSLQ, APLT, SB, ASAN, LIDR, LIDR, BNED, ZVIA,
RZLV,
PKX, BNED, FUTU, MGX, LIDR, JGMK, MGX, MGX, MGX,
Wolf,
OTLK,
MGX,
PDD, MGX, MGX,
MGX.
MGX, MGX, LIDR, LIDR, ALB, SPCE,
LIDR, Assistant,
BGS, MGX, EB,
LDTC,
DRCH,
LDTC,
FCEL,
TV,
MCHP New, ON, ZVIA, APLT, PKX,
Assistant,
BNED, BGS, DRMA, LTRX, CSLR,
LDTC,
LIDR, LIDR, FCEL, CRNT, CRNT,
LDTC,
ASAN,
UAMY,
Bind, Hollow, LUNR, EB,
LDTC,
FBIO, SB, ALB, DC, MCHP, FBIO, apps, PRCH, AGLT,
UAMY,
LTRX, FFIE, BLNK,
Ango,
Duo, WKHS, Shot, NYMT,
Serve,
NYMT, FCEL, MDAI, FBIO,
Duo,
ASAN,
GLXG, MBLY,
MGX,
Ango,
Shui,
DXYZ shares
MBST,
resumed and halted again 53.41,
Assistant,
down now
Hollow.
20%.
Shot,
LDTC,
DXYZ.
MTA, BGS,
XIN,
AVXL,
Big Spread, LDTC,
LGMK,
Assistant,
Ango,
IPSC,
RUM,
MXTX, AXTI,
SONN,
apps,
Assistant,
IVR, KXIN, VUZI, Shui,
Assistant,
ITRM,
Ango,
Assistant,
ASAN,
Find,
CTNT,
Ango, Ango,
SAT, TPIC,
GXAI,
POWW, ITRM,
Assistant,
Ango,
MTA, ATXL, APLT, BMR, BLNK, BMR,
Assistant,
CRNT,
LDTC,
Ango,
LDTC,
Ango,
ECR, apps,
LDTC,
Ango, Ango,
LDTC,
mu, TH,
LDTC,
ILR,
Ango, Ango,
Find,
ASAN,
SB,
King,
IMLR, LGMK, COGT, VSAT,
BMR,
EB, ITRM, TTEC,
Assistant,
TEC, TPIC,
Assistant,
TTEC, HTCR,
Assistant,
HTCR,
SONN,
Lab, HTCR, Shui, NFE,
ASAN,
BTDR,
EB, APLT, ALB, CRNT,
TMC,
BMBL, AVXL,
BMR,
IRBT,
GXAI,
COGT, ITRM, VSAT, TPIC, GTE,
SONN,
PRZO, Alto,
GXAI,
BRDL, TH, NOTADS,
Assistant,
Ango,
T,
Ango,
Up,
MBLY,
New,
UPST,
SPST,
NFE,
GXAI,
Cur.
LAZR,
WW, Ango,
Atom, SDIG, Ango, HTCR, BTCM,
Assistant,
VSAT, TPIC, RXST, NG, CDLX, Ango,
ZEO,
Edit,
RI.
LGCR,
MGX,
ZVIA,
MGX,
CTMX,
MBLY,
Alto,
BLNK,
BLST, WTI,
ZVIA,
SFIX, KIN, GT,
ASAN,
BTCM, COGT, FBIO,
Duo,
Very,
Very, Duo, Duo, Duo,
NOTV, FFIE, PSQH, CVGI, TH,
Assistant,
CSLR, SDIG,
Assistant,
Poet,
IPSC,
IRW, MTA, Add, TH,
Assistant,
Sound,
DLX,
Cur,
SB, Bind, BCTX, EDSAT, GVIA,
Sound,
COGT, Chui,
BMR,
IMMR,
ASAN,
OGI, LDI, CRNT, ITRM,
BMR.
WLDS,
BMR, INOD,
BRI, FFIE,
BMR,
LDTC,
LDTC, LDTC,
MBLY,
PSQH, QMCO, SB, NOTV, AAOI, NOTV,
Sound,
MTA,
BMR,
IMMR, PLG, COGT,
SONN,
ASAN,
COS,
Amps.
SFIX, GCT,
Sound,
VAL,
SONN,
ZVIA,
Duo,
NEW, FUTU,
RDDT,
THL,
BMR,
WLDS,
Duo,
SDIG, BCTX,
Duo,
FBIO,
MBLY,
FBIO,
SONN,
VERV,
QRDL,
QRDL, Edit, NCPL, AAOR,
GXAI,
NKTX,
GXAI,
SONN,
assistant,
BRI, Beak,
GXAI,
AMPS,
ANGO,
BMR,
QMCO, big spread, assistant,
NEW, AVXL, SDIG, COS, OGI, MBLY, ASAN,
Duo,
PKX, VSAT, TLF,
Assistant.
NLTE, UP,
Duo,
ZDLX, ZVIA, BMBL, WLDS,
Duo, GXAI,
INOD, GFAI,
GXAI, Duo.
PYSS, GXAI, FBIO,
GXAI,
King, New, BRW, BMR, CXAI, CXAI, BLNK, Edit, CXAI, CXAI, NFE, ZXAI,
GXAI,
TLF,
Open,
PLG, COS,
BBAI,
ARIS, CDLX, GOVX,
BBAI,
CVGI, KER,
Duo,
GFAI, Lab, GXAI,
Duo.
NCPL, AVXL, KOD,
GXAI,
SACH, BMR,
GXAI,
CTMX, INOD, BTCM,
MGX,
VSAT, IVDA,
Duo,
Duo,
SONN,
ATYR, CDLX,
Duo.
AOI, OM, RDDT,
LRMR,
AMPS, SACH, NKLA,
SLE,
Edit, INOD, TNFA,
RR,
TNFA, VSAT,
Assistant,
NCPL, TCS, CGEN,
Assistant,
DBI,
Assistant,
FTCI, FTCI, BLZE, BMR, BLNK, CRDL, CVGI, NE, IVDA, SPWH, ALLT, CXAI, GOVX, BLDE, OM. ALLT, NRXP,
LDTC,
TNOA,
INOD,
Real,
CXAI,
CVGI,
LDTC,
BCTX,
GXAI, Duo,
LAZR, CXAI, CXAI, OM, CVGI,
BMR,
FGU,
BMR, VIPs,
VS,
BMR,
IRBT, SHOT,
RDDT, VOR, Serve,
Duo,
VOR, IVDA, GOVX,
MBLY,
NEW,
Duo.
CVGI, IVDA,
Assistant,
CTMX,
Real,
TLSA,
Duo,
HDSN, IVDA, SFIX, IVDA,
BMR,
LAZR,
BMR,
ARC,
ICAD,
FBIO, BRW,
Duo,
West
GXAI,
Northwest,
NYMT,
RDDT,
LDTC,
FUTU, CRNC,
CHPT,
Duo, Serve,
Assistant, Duo,
TUNCX,
Duo,
CRBU, PNNT,
Duo,
TCS,
FBIO,
INOD, COS,
BMBL,
Real,
LAZR, AREC, SPWH, CHGG, BLDE, Atom, SKYT, BCTX, RDDT,
CVGI,
Duo,
BMR,
AREC,
Serve,
NYMT,
Duo,
RUM, Alto, DBI,
Duo, Duo.
Serve, NYMT, VSAT, SPCE, SONN, CRNC, ATYR,
Duo,
FBIO,
Duo,
TLSA,
Serve,
CVGI, SKYT, Serve,
Real,
LAZR, Crocs,
COS,
BCTX, ILMN, ALLT, ALXO,
BMR,
CHGG,
LDTC,
CTMX, Atom,
MBLY,
ALLT, Atom,
SONN,
VSAT,
BMR,
GXAI, GXAI,
DBI, BRW, SFIX, West Northwest,
BMR,
OM, GRWG, HSY, HSY, HSY,
GXAI.
SPWH, RDDT, CRNC, Prox, EYPT, NCPL, BGS, GTE, GTE,
LDTC.
SONN, ATYR, VIPs, NYMT, Poet,
LDTC.
HDSN, SKYT, EMX, TLSR,
ZEO.
ACB,
ZEO.
CRNC, Real, BTM,
ZEO.
CHGG, DSAT, NYMT,
LDTC.
ILMN, NYSC, LTRN, GFAI, BGS,
LDTC.
WKHS, OGI, IRBT,
Assistant.
RBRK, MBLY, SPWH, ATYR,
PSNY. GFAI.
HITI, GFAI, TPET, MXCT,
Plug.
GFAI, SKYT, Lab, RBRK, BRI, HDSN,
Poet.
VUZI, New, Swim,
Poet.
Up, LTRN, KYTX, FUTU, APLT, Real,
SONN.
ALLT, GTE, GFAI,
SONN.
ARAY, CHGG, Chui,
SONN.
Chui,
SONN.
Mamo, HITI, HITI, Atom, EB, Pets, Pets,
RZLV.
BGS, BRI, Real, BTM,
BGS.
EMX,
Duo.
DVPR,
Duo.
VNDA, Shui, FUTU, PW,
Duo. Duo. Duo.
MXCT.
Duo. Duo.
VIPs.
Duo.
Lab.
Duo. Duo.
BGS. SPWH.
RGTI.
AMPX. RUM.
Assistant.
GRWG.
Real.
BLNK.
BDMK.
SWIM. TTEC.
RGTI.
ZMDI. HSY.
ZEO.
HSY. HSYN.
WKHLAZR.
HSY. NE.
CDG.
HSY.
HRME.
HSY.
NYMT.
HSY. Watch the spread.
HSY.
PLX. EYPT. BCTX.
CYCN. QNCX.
CLWH.
HSY.
Atom.
Watch the spread.
Atom.
NE. NE.
GS. Lab.
BTLY.
MDLY.
HSY. Watch the spread.
GMAC.
NE.
Shui.
HSY. CYCN.
HSY.
EL.
Big spread.
QNCX. FULC. CRBU.
HSY. Big spread.
GRWG.
Kerr.
HSY.
VIPs.
Airs.
Note. HSY.
PYXS. Seat. CYRX. COS.
INTJ.
LDTC. HSY.
IPSC.
Watch the
Shui.
spread.
BGS.
NE.
LBE.
LDTC. Duo.
SNTI.
BKYX.
MGX. Benzinga Pro
NYMX.
Squawk has disconnected. LDTC.
NKTX. Oris. IMMR. CDXS. GRWG.
NE.
BLNK.
SONN.
VIPs.
BCTX. SONN.
EYPT. Seat. PLX. WW.
LDTC.
BGS. CRBU. WW. MXCT. CRNC.
Real.
TRG. BRMY. BMBL.
LDTC.
IPSC. Lab. CVGI. AMCX. ICAD. NYMT. SNTI. RBRK. AREC. IOWW. GRWG.
WKHS.
RSKD. Airs.
SONN.
IMMR. IMMR. ICAD. Lab.
LDTC. LDTC,
NYMT, LIDR,
LDTC,
LIDR, SHWI, CYCN, BLNK, BFRI, PETS, LIDR, LIDR,
GXAI, Duo,
ITRG, RBRK,
GXAI,
SEAT,
GXAI,
SEDG, VUZI, ITRG,
GXAI,
SHWI, TH, Real,
Duo,
MXCT, Atom, BGS, CHGG,
Duo,
MXCT, Lab, CVGI,
Duo.
SEDG, Atom,
Duo,
VUZI, Atom, BCTX,
Duo,
AZI, CDXS, VSAT, SPWH,
BLDP,
PLTK, FOXF,
LDTC, MYTE,
AIRS, WCZB,
Assistant,
PRME, IMMR,
SONN,
BFRI, BGS,
Duo,
CYCN,
Duo,
CADL,
Duo,
CYCN, TRTX,
Duo,
SHWI, Real, AZI, TRTX,
LDTC, BCTX, Assistant,
IMMR, IMMR,
Assistant, GXAI,
MXCT, SHWI,
BCTX,
Real, OM, EWCZ,
Duo, GXAI, MGX,
PRME, TLF,
LDTC, LDTC, IPHA,
MTA,
LDTC, GXAI,
TRTX, GT, OST,
LDTC,
IPSC,
LDTC,
Atom,
LDTC,
CVGI, CVGI, AZI,
LDTC,
PRME, ZJK, PW, Atom,
GXAI,
RSKD, GTE, VSAT, CDXS, NKTX,
NVTS, GXAI, GXAI,
PW,
LDTC, Duo,
COS, CHWI, TTEC, PLTK, SPCE,
LDTC,
Atom, PRME,
Duo, LDTC,
MXCT, VSAT, OST, TLF, ESLA, BCTX,
LDTC,
Atom, RSKD,
COPX,
BBDC, IVDA,
BCTX, LDTC,
AIRS,
LDTC,
TLF, SPCE, CSIQ, Atom,
COPX,
TLF,
Assistant,
BMBL, NYMT,
LDTC,
PRME, EWCZ,
Real,
GT,
LESL,
STKS,
Duo,
TTEC,
Duo,
OB, BBDC, RSKD,
TSLZ,
AD, TSLQ,
TSLQ,
SHWI,
LDTC, LDTC,
GT,
LDTC,
NYMT,
LDTC,
PLTK,
ALLR, LDTC,
BGS, BMBL,
SONN,
VOR,
ZEO,
VOR,
ZEO,
NYMT,
LDTC, LDTC,
ATYR,
LDTC,
All right, so listen up. State Farm was trying to charge me $197 for car insurance. No, thank you.
BFRI,
Sold out break even out of fear. We're kind of getting into
LDTC.
oblivion here.
TLF,
This could be a flush.
TLF, TLF, TLF,
Duo,
NYMT,
Duo.
BGS,
It's real tempting to just dump 30,000 shares right here, but I don't think it's wise. I think I take my finger off the trigger there. I think we do need to watch LDTC. We need to be very cautious of
SLA.
GXAI. Feels like
SONN.
it needs to either flush or it's gonna pop here. I don't know. It's not that great though. Let me just say that. LDTC, careful. It's starting to roll over after having a green run.
TLF,
Assistant,
may or may
SNTI,
not continue.
TLF,
CXAI.
It's just sellers are so tough here. SONN. Duo.
CJK,
I don't trust it. GXAI kind of put in a pivot. We're probably going for a little trade, maybe.
SONN.
No, let's wait on GXAI. Maybe get a dip. I like
SONN.
that we're kind of putting in support. That's kind of nice, but I don't want to buy it at 386. Unless unless I
RXRX.
was wrong.
PRME,
I guess I'm about to buy it at 387.
Duo. MGX. Duo.
GT, CSIQ,
Trying to get filled. We're not. Yeah, I'm just gonna take that.
ZEO. LDTC. BCTX.
COGT,
Assistant. HUIZ. Big spread. ZEO. Duo.
MYSZ,
Sellers are quite strong over here.
ALLR, ZJK,
Very much tug of war here. I'm watching the bid and the ask to see which one breaks. Looks like that the
SONN.
bid broke. I don't know. I don't think Duo is that great. GXAI
Mamo.
not that great. LDTC could go for a pivot rerun, but this is a little risky as well. We'll see if it puts in
Duo.
a bottom and tail.
SONN.
Nope, didn't put in a bottom and tail. Kind of just dumped in there.
MGX.
PRME,
SONN. LDTC. SONN.
Oh yeah. That's a tough
SONN.
it's a tough deal over here. Could be a flush.
INOD. QSI. SONN. LU.
Frick. That doesn't look too bad, but
GXAI.
had to get out of there. Clearly turned into a dump.
SPHL.
Lost $100.
Big spread.
Lost $80 actually on what could have been a green trade. Should have just taken the profit.
Duo.
SONN.
Seat,
Duo, it's still going. The thing with Duo is it's a little bit unpredictable. GXAI
Duo.
is setting up potential flush, although it is holding somewhat.
FOSL.
Looks like a flush, maybe.
Duo. Assistant.
Okay. That is too risky.
MXCT.
What a day, man. What a day to be alive.
GT. mRNA.
Sonny
Duo.
Boy sucks. LDTC sucks. Duo basically sucks.
Assistant.
GXAI, we could see some massive false breakdown and rip, and that's would be cool to see, but you know, that would involve buying a flush. That would involve buying a very
RVPH.
bearish looking trade,
RVPH.
hoping it
Big spread.
you know, that's kind of thing. How many times are we having bullish patterns? They rip up and then they flush hard. Okay, okay, here's a
RVPH.
flush.
BFRI. ICAD.
I didn't add super big. It's having a hard time. I have to get out there with a loss. So there it kind of worked.
NYMT.
Oh, crikey.
PNNT.
It
GT.
was looking good for a second, down to 377, then
Duo.
comes up.
JRVR. COGT.
And sometimes you wait for the confirmation, sometimes you don't. So
TIGR.
you got to decide whether this is a dip you want to jump in on or one you want to wait. Tell you
BLNK.
I do both. So it's not like
LDTC.
It's not like deciding whether it's wait for confirmation or don't. Like, but yeah, you're right. You're right.
LDTC.
Today, some of the trades on GXAI I want to wait, especially as the day goes on. So that's correct in this situation.
LDTC.
BFRI.
Correct.
CSIQ.
5 points to Gryffindor. You guys see that Ron Weasley got in trouble with the United Kingdom taxes?
mRNA.
LDTC.
Ron Weasley, dude, he was broke in the movie, and now he's broke yet again. Ron Weasley.
PSQH.
Ron Weasley.
Duo.
John, well, Philip, they get so upset. You know, I simply, just say, oh yeah,
LDTC.
RT learned my strategy, and they're like, oh no, you talk about it every day. Oh, you're trash talking RT. Like, okay, at this point, you guys are the ones.
DIOS.
Assistant.
BGS.
Oh no, you gotta get over it. Oh.
LDTC.
Watching that big seller at 42, I got sucked into it like an idiot. I'm back out.
Eno.
Probably wait for a pullback here. I don't know. I got $5,000.
VSAT.
I might be willing to
CHRS.
take it.
SONN.
Well, no, he apparently Ron Weasley from the residuals from the money he
Assistant.
made from the money from the residuals of Harry Potter. He was claiming it as not the correct source of income.
OTLK.
I think he was reporting it as like capital
CSIQ.
gains or something, and not as ordinary income. Which
PRME.
then he, whoever he hired to do his taxes effed up. I mean, long story short, Hermione's doing just fine. You know what? You can't touch Hermione. Ron Weasley, what's up? Okay. I'm going back to
PNNG.
LDTC because I feel like
PKX.
I don't know that
RSKD.
Ron Weasley.
SEDG.
There we go.
LDTC.
Sorry, Ron Weasley.
Duo.
Mia Mario. All right, I'm done being ridiculous.
Duo.
I'm done being ridiculous. I'm just screwing, guys. It's
Duo.
look, it's a long show. The Trading Farmer Show is a long show. We talk about a lot of
CSIQ.
things. All right, so if something I'm talking about doesn't tickle your whistle or what's it called?
Eno.
What's that saying? Tickle your pickle? No, that's not right. That's definitely not right.
PKX.
Then don't worry about it.
No,
You don't need
OTLK.
to. You don't need to come on and make. Oh, I've been watching you forever, but when you talk about this, well, then log off. Then leave,
LDTC.
right? Then go watch somebody else, right? Right. And there's another streamer out there who's trading the
CHPT.
50-50. All right. He was again. So go over there.
SEDG. BIOX.
LDTC. LDTC. LDTC.
BIOX.
See, I was gonna hit it at
Alto.
138 with like 10,000 shares. I hesitated. I dumped out and then it went. You know that could have been
LDTC.
$1,000. I could be up $600-700 on this. I'm still watching it, and I think it's still worth a watch here. LDTC coming back.
GRWGX.
5-minute.
LDTC.
The 5-minute chart overall. What you want to do? Look at the 5-minute chart in totality. Not just what's the nearest 5-minute candle. right?
Assistant.
Too many people are, oh, it's a red candle, I'm buying. Yeah, but where is that red candle? What is the overall pattern? Right? Have that bias.
Dale.
Right? There's
SEDG.
biases within biases. There's patterns within
NVTS.
patterns. And if you're just thinking about one micro pattern, yes, it may work, but how do you get to the next level? How do you trade
RSKD.
better? You zoom out and you take big boy biases. You look at big boy patterns. That's the 5-minute chart. That's the daily chart. Then you zoom in,
GXAI.
and you stay away from drugs.
GXAI. Assistant.
ESLA.
ESLA.
Oh! Good about the dip at 144. It came back to 47.
EWCZ.
ESLA.
GXAI, I
OTLK.
think, fell into
SEDG.
oblivion. It was fun while it lasted. So
Assistant.
big boy patterns are telling me Duo has a chance at popping here. I like that Duo finally went down to the whole penny.
BGS.
Assistant.
DAR.
Sellers are stacking here on Duo.
SPC.
Duo.
BLNK. OST.
And Duo not looking so good.
LDTC. Duo.
Flush. I'm out. I don't trust this thing
Duo.
worth a darn. I don't trust this thing worth a darn.
LDTC.
SEDG.
Uh-oh.
RLYB.
I have to get out of there. I rushed into this bottoming tail here, which looked good. I bet you it will go. There it
CSIQ.
goes. Golly, man, that makes me want to punch something. Okay, gonna wait for the next candle starting in 16 seconds. Got to refocus,
LDTC.
guys. The target will be 158.
UK,
RIBN.
Ost,
UK.
I gotta get out of there. Okay. I'm not doing so well on this. So,
CBGI. BIOX, NB, NYMT, SEDG,
all right, I'm gonna chill out.
LDTC.
All right, twin, take it easy.
Assistant.
It's just not that great of a day.
EWCZ, CSIQ,
LDTC. Assistant.
PWM,
Take the penny. No, it's been a fun morning. Where do you work at, twin?
BBDC,
Assistant.
Dude, LDTC, dude.
VIPs,
That's a big trade.
RVPH.
134 to 143 almost. That's a lot of money. So looks like LDTC is look in
TSDD.
the duo. If you're on duo, I just feel like you're gonna be just destroyed. Dude, LDTC, man, that was the trade.
NKLA,
I had the entry. Frick, I'm getting pissed now.
Dale,
RVPH.
I can't buy it up here. I missed it. You know, and this is the hard part with trading is people will miss a pattern and then they're like, they jump into it.
RVPH.
And I'm like, you missed it. You're gonna have to wait 2-3 minutes for the next setup. You know, we'll see what happens here. 5 minutes looking real good, but I don't want it
ICAD.
up here at 143 or 145.
PSQH,
I could get it at 138.
NDRI.
I'll be much happier.
PWM, IMPP,
RVPH.
Yeah, I have $300 on duo.
RVPH.
CSIQ,
LDTC.
OTLK,
LDTC.
This is going off the 5-minute chart. Hit a double
LDTC.
top. It's gonna turn into a flush. Gosh darn. Oh. Oh. I mean, how quick was that? Like literally 1 second it's up, and the next second I'm back break even. I
RVPH.
have to cut it, no profit. You know, 1 second about $500. The next time break even.
ALZN. RVPH.
SEDG,
Duo.
I mean, I had the entry at 136. It's a hard pill to swallow there.
OTLK.
Somebody probably made money. I'm guessing somebody in this chat made money on
CSIQ.
125 likes. Appreciate it as we go through this
PROC.
choppier market.
LDTC.
GXAI, of course, is still kicking.
RVPH. DQ.
Top. SEDG.
Chase that too high, light volume.
Assistant.
PSQH.
GXAI.
Not enough volume.
EHOB. Top.
So 60% green. Now you lost money. Who is censoring you? You know, the latest show
RLYB.
I'm into now is Silo on Apple TV Plus.
Duo. LDTC. Assistant.
I got
Assistant.
half a penny. I got about $20 off that. That sucks, man. 136 to 153. I got in late, tried to catch it, but it was almost like an
CSIQ.
algo spike to a double top. There was no time. There was no way to predict for me, I guess, if that was to reject like that. 5-minute chart now is it's that double top right here on my mouse. Kind
Assistant.
of ruins it for me. No.
Yo, I just found the holiday deal of the season. Mint Mobile's
LDTC.
offering $15 a month for the
SRM.
PWM.
Assistant. Assistant.
Apps. CSIQ. OTLK.
Oh my gosh.
RVPH.
Oh my gosh.
FLNC.
RVPH. CHGG.
Lost $20. Half a penny on that.
SEDG.
Um,
FEMY.
Here's the deal, guys.
BIOX.
It really is getting down to nothing here. It really is
VIPs.
getting.
VOR.
PSQH. KYTX.
Note.
I got $5,000 flat. LDTC.
CSIQ.
LDTC.
PWM. PLTR.
Saw the bid drop from 230 to 60, which I don't know why it did. Could just be the
QSI.
computer. You know, could just be the algorithm that's trading this. But I took that as a bearish sign. So I took my profit in at 42.5, out at 43. So
QSI.
again, 22
SEDG.
bucks.
CETX.
PSQH.
GXAI. CETX.
No volume on that. Of course, that's risky. LDTC.
DQ.
We can try it.
RVPH.
ASST, is it good?
TSLQ.
You guys tell me.
CETX.
You know what's coming back here is Duo. But
GXAI.
ASST is halted. Can't trade that.
LDTC.
GXAI, of course, was the moneymaker today.
RVPH.
This is, of
RVPH.
course, getting into flush territory.
MXCT.
Man, I am losing. Oh my gosh, no way.
SEDG. PSQH. VIPs.
That takes me to 4,900
Real.
today.
NKLA.
That's papooey.
ECX.
PSQH.
5-minute chart is completely garb.
TPET. ECX.
VFF.
MXCT. ATYR.
This looks like trash.
CSIQ.
Be lucky
Real.
to get any winning trades on this.
Real.
FLNC. COGT.
SONN.
A little bit of action here. I feel like this is going to
Duo.
fail here. Oh, maybe not.
MGX.
The bid does not stay. The stability of the bid and ask on this is not. So I would say no to this one. Lost an additional 80 bucks on that garb.
GXAI.
Not good. Now, had I had a limit order, I probably could have snagged that breakthrough $1.
SEDG.
Real.
MXCT. PKX.
NVTS.
TPET.
Assistant.
Gotta get out of there again. Okay, I gotta be done. Wow, that takes me to 4.5. Oh, frick.
NKLA.
That might have to be it for me.
Aaron.
Yeah, I totally got a blitter. Now, did it go from 136 to
FEOG.
141?
GXAI.
Yes, it did. But by the time I got in, there wasn't much room for it to go up.
COGT.
I basically bought the move. Like I created. I wouldn't say I created the move, but I was
GXAI.
VGFV.
definitely not buying green or buying red. That was me waiting for confirmation. When in reality,
GXAI.
I had to take a guess. So ASST, I think it's going to destroy a lot of people because they're going to be like, "Oh, this is a sub
NJLA.
dollar breakthrough dollar,
LDTC.
and go."
LDTG.
And then what's going to happen? It's going to drop out hard. And then they're going to buy the dip at 93 and then it's gonna
Assistant.
drop out to 88. You know. So it's one of those
GXAI.
things.
MXCT.
Still kind of wanting to get a trade on this to get my money back, but it does seem like a bad idea.
QSI.
BLNK. OST.
QSI.
GXAI,
SNTI.
we got to watch GXAI.
QSI.
At this point, it's back above UAP. And holding. I'm not
COGT.
going to buy it there because it's a little too risky.
QSI. LDTC.
Aaron.
Though it is tempting. It is too extended there. That is notable.
QSI. Assistant.
Aaron.
I would
FNGD.
watch GXAI. Oh, let's see what's going on. GXAI, no way.
BGFV.
MGX. FNGD. LDTC.
Got to stay out of it there now for sure. But I guess I could have jumped on that one.
PGEN.
Oh my gosh. Oh my god.
NCPL.
VOR.
Hmm.
4.
GXAI.
Coming back to GXAI.
SB.
FNGD.